everyone, today we're gonna show you this gorgeous, amazing house. It's one of the luxurious houses that we usually show you. It is an amazing location in Tecumseh, Ontario. It has two driveways, as you can see. There's one from here that can enter your car from here and you can exit from there. The garage here fits for two cars to go inside, and also the frontage of this house is a brick and also a natural stone, so two of the most expensive materials to build the houses. So let's go and check the inside of it. So this is the first time we check the house from the inside with you guys. As you can see, the foyer is so amazing. I like the high ceilings on the entrance of the house. It just gives the greatness of the house. Here it comes to the living area, and as you walk in, you will see how beautiful and amazing all the features of this house, even the small touches that they have in here, like the high ceilings, and also look at the frame of the TV here and also the fireplace.
Sarah, I will give them a hint, like everything in this house matching so well.
Yes.
And it's very cozy and it's very perfectly done. Like it's very comfortable to the eyes and it's really perfect.
We haven't seen it in reality, we have seen it only in the pictures, but even in the pictures it shows you how amazing and calm this place. All the colors are matching, even the materials that they use matching the colors of the walls and also the colors of the flooring, and also the furniture is so important here. So they really got the right furniture and the right colors to complete the greatness of the whole.
And there's also a lot of windows, so natural lights comes from both sides. Like there are windows from here and also windows from the other side as well.
Of course.
So a lot of natural lights comes inside the house.
You can see, like even here, the dining area, look how bright it is. It brings a lot of natural lights from the big windows here and also on the living area. I really have a lot of things to talk about this house. I hope that I can explain and describe enough so you can guys have an idea about how awesome this house is, because I'm really in love. This is the kitchen. As you can see, the granite top of the island, and also here on the cabinets, it's so, I think this is quartz granite top, I think, because I love the colors here. It's matching the colors of the walls and everything here in this house, and also the backsplash color. I don't know, but there's a lot to say.
And also I wanna add a note, like if you guys see everything, like where the tile is on the floor, these floors are heated. So when we're walking on them right now, they are very warm and you will never feel them cold.
Yes, I can feel them because I'm not wearing anything on my shoes, because on my foot, but the warmness here, it's so great. I love it.
And I love the light fixtures right here. And also there is speakers all over the house.
The speakers really here, you can open music, or I think it's all over the house or in some areas, but I think it's really amazing to have it in your house. This is the dining area, and look at the table that they put here.
Seating for 6, so it's even like a showing space.
It is wood. It feels like it's a vintage, but I like it. It actually completes the elegance of the house. And also they are using the wood vanity, a small vanity there. It also gives this nice
I like the ceiling. Like the thing is, when they built this house, I think they planned like to have the dining area to be right here. So that's why they have even different ceiling style on the ceiling.
Of course. I think everything have done in this house, they actually really have read about it and they planned to it. So they didn't do anything randomly, no.
Yeah.
So here it takes us to the deck area and the sitting area here.
It is nice.
Very big size here. Also, you have these curtains here. So if there is like a very, very sunny day, you can close them up and you will have your
and
own
also
area,
it gives more privacy.
area.
Like if the family wants to be out without any access from the neighbors,
I think it's really nice. Even if it's raining,
cool.
you can sit here and you have umbrella.
And again, don't forget the pool. Like this is on summertime, it's gonna look amazing.
Yes, the pool, and I think the size of the pool, we cannot see it right now, but I think it's very deep, and I think there's a lot of stuff going on there. But because it's winter, so
probably
we're not going to be able
water
to see
features and stuff here as well. This is a little place for kids, so they can play with the sand, which is really nice. So they thought about even these stuff.
And they also have a seating area here and also there on that side also. So I think there's a lot of space to play around with a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
And they have the space here built for the barbecue.
And Sarah, keep in mind, like even in this area, they also have the lights on the top.
Yes.
There's a fan on the top, and also there is a couple speakers.
Yes,
from here,
and they also have a fan
well.
here just in case in summer there's a very high temperature.
So just imagine the vibes and how interesting this house would be on summer when your kids are playing in the pool, you're sitting here with all the music, and that's going to be really fun.
Indeed. Let's go and check the bedrooms because this is a ranch style house, so we usually have all the bedrooms on the main floor. There is no second floor, but let's go and check them. Here we have a powder bathroom. A powder bathroom, it means just a half bathroom without a shower. This is a laundry room here, washer and dryer, and I think here even we have all the flooring warmed up because I'm just walking on a tile that's actually too warm. We usually don't see it in other houses. Here is a pantry. I think everybody loves to have a pantry in their kitchen.
I think there's a lot of cabinets already, but just having a pantry will make it even better.
I mean, it doesn't hurt to have a pantry for storage all your food.
Yeah.
Here is this is the basement, but we're gonna check out this later. For now, this is just a small closet, and here are all the hangers. You can put your stuff, your shoes, while you come in from the garage. The garage has two car garage, yes.
And I like that it's heated. There's a heating unit here, has big windows and side door.
And also when you have two cars in this garage, you also have a lot of space here to move around.
Yeah.
Let's go and show you the bedrooms.
I really love how everything here matches. It's perfect.
So here you have a door to separate your bedrooms completely from the living area, so you can have more privacy. Here we start with the first bedroom, and they have it as an office, but I think you can put it as a third bedroom. And the size is so good, and you also have a closet here, so there's no problem to convert it to a bedroom. Yeah. And this is the second bedroom here. The colors are so girly. I really like it. I like the drawings here on the walls with these paintings.
Mountains.
I think I like pink, so I think this is my favorite bedroom.
Trust me, the colors here, like even for a man, it's amazing.
Oh, really?
I love it. Like it's really cozy.
I know, right?
With the lights, like it's perfect.
Okay, safe. I'm gonna take this
eyes.
as a feedback for pink color.
Yeah.
This is the walk-in. It's a closet. It's not a walk-in closet, but I think this size is pretty good.
That's good
for one person.
And I also like how dark, because when we were walking outside, just because the colors of the walls are very close to the color of the flooring, we could not notice how dark the flooring is unless we walked inside this room. Now we start seeing the comparison, the contrast between the flooring and the walls.
And we have here the first bathroom on this main floor. This is a full bathroom, and we have double sink vanity on this side, and here we have a water tub. And here is, we have a storage here. We have a lot of storage in this house. And here, of course, the toilet. I like the ceilings, how high the ceilings are, and also the big window here, and the colors. Everything here is just so matching with the whole house. Here we enter to the master and luxury master bedroom here. I like the size, the high ceilings, the area here. I think it's just so amazing, and as Saif said, they actually have done everything here with the plan. So if you can see the edges of the bedroom here, they actually really fit from the window here to that window to the ceiling. So I think it's really actually customized.
And
you
Sarah,
feel like it's customized.
even if you look at the ceiling, like the ceiling, they built in a way that they're expecting the bed will be on this side exactly. So it's very symmetrical between the bed, the
Yes.
windows, and also the ceiling.
I love the how they built the ceilings. I think it just gives very huge and amazing touch to the bedroom here. We have spotlights, of course, and we have two big size windows on this bedroom. Here we have a walk-in closet. I think it fits in more than enough for two people here. And also you have a lot of roofing and drawers
Nice
here.
chandelier on the top.
Yes.
I like it.
And here, let's go and check out the master bedroom bathroom. This is the one of the most amazing bathrooms here in this house. We have two double vanity sink here, and we have a very high ceilings. And here we have just a water tub. You can chill here, sit down. And here we have a stand-up shower. I love the colors of the wall here. They are matching basically every part of this bathroom here.
And I love the chandelier on top of the tub.
I really love it. This
Really
is
nice,
so amazing.
Nice vibes.
They don't forget about each part of this
Yeah,
house.
they have two big windows
Yes.
just right here.
Yes, and also the flooring colors, and the flooring here is so warm. So the floorings are heated 100%, and I love the way of it. Like, just imagine if you have the flooring so cold, the bathroom is gonna stay always cold. But this feature is also so amazing and completes the greatness of this house.
The style of this house is a ranch, so we don't have a second story, we only have a basement. But we're gonna go and check the basement. What I like really about this house, not just, I know it's amazing, but also I love the location. It's in Tecumseh, one of the best areas in Windsor, Ontario, and also the whole neighborhood. It's really nice and really brand new houses all over here. And also it's close to the factory plant, which is one of the biggest investments that are coming or happening in Windsor right now, which really brings the value of the house even more. So now let's check out the basement. So as you can see, it's really nice. And one of the things that we worry of when I hear a ranch is that, is the ceiling gonna be low? Or is there gonna be no windows? So in this ranch, the ceiling is very high. Like even if I walk into here when their decks are, it's still way too high. And there's two big windows from here, from the other side, and every bedroom has its own window. So right here, this is just a mechanical and storage room. And from the other side, there's also another mechanical and storage room. So these are just for basically storage. They made it just a way for playing, having some fun for the kids, or maybe throwing parties. Like you can have a small party right here. That's also very doable. And as you can see, there's a lot of space. Like we're gonna show you everything else right now, but look at the space right here. Look at the built-in shelves, they have it in here. And there is some pot lights here, so when you look at them, you don't even like feel it's like they really used the vents and the decks right here into their advantage. So they built these spotlights to make it look really nice. So when you're sitting here, it just feels like there are some lights behind the TV. And also keep in mind, like just so you guys know how much they are thinking in advance when building this stuff. So all around the TV, there are speakers. There are built-in speakers around the TV. They are just painted in the same colors of the wall, so you cannot easily see them. I just saw them. So that's really nice. So they thought that this TV is gonna be in this size and in this place. just to know that everything has been planned. There's no accidents in this house. And I love the materials of the flooring. The flooring in the basement and on the main floor are very nice. So if you can see, I'm not sure if the camera can show it, but like the texture and the details, it's really makes you feel like this is like a real wood. And really, I love that. And I love the color. So everything here just to show the quality of this house. And again, even here you have a lot of footlights and speakers in this house. So here we walk in. This is just a place for your sump pump and also your cold room. So if you have a wine, if you want to store whatever kind of drinks you have, you can store them right here. And let's go right now take a look at the full bathroom that we have in the basement. So you have a big vanity and toilet and a stand-up shower. Stand-up shower is really big size, natural stones and tiled up from ceiling to the floor. It's really nice. And again, you can feel you're in the same house with these colors and these tiles, and that's really nice.
I mean, in most houses, they usually don't take care that much about the bathroom in the basement, but I think this bathroom is really amazing.
That's right.
It's so luxury.
And also there's space, like the decorative aspect of this house, they made some space here to separate these areas and also to have something here to complete the elegance of the house. And right now, let me show you this. So you know what we mean by they're thinking about everything. So they have a door here, which means just to separate the living area from the bedrooms. Just like when they have on the upper floor, they also brought it here. And this is just a common area between the 3 bedrooms. So let's start with the right side. So here we have one of the bedrooms, has a big windows. The colors are very nice. So what do you think?
I think the size is very good for a bedroom in the basement. I think the lot size is the most important thing that makes every bedroom sizes very good and enough. And I also like the closet here. I think it's very big and one person very enough.
Wow.
And I like that it's customized.
It's customized, yeah.
You have a lot of drawers, a lot of roofs there, so I think
that's very useful. Like,
yes.
You can even use this for 2 people right here.
Indeed.
And in this bedroom, you have 2 vents and 4 footlights, which is really nice. So right now, let's continue. We also have more venting here and more venting here. They made this as a gym, but of course it could be turned into a bedroom if you guys need. There's a treadmill on this side, and again, nice and big window. I think that's really nice. So let's go continue to the last bedroom we have. Oh wow, so this is the biggest one here.
I think all of them are big, but this one is the master bedroom.
Yeah. So you can see there's a lot of space even after having a closet, like a table here, desk, big TV, and a lot of shelving on the side. There's still a lot of size, a lot of place to walk around comfortably here. You have 2 big windows. You have also 2 venting. Normally, like you don't see 2 venting into 1 bedroom. That's only on like the higher end houses, just to make sure that the house will stay warm and gonna be enough.
Exactly, and usually basement is so cold. It's colder than every part of the house. Like that's why they have, I think, 2 venting in every bedroom, so they don't make you feel like you're in basement and you always feel cold.
Exactly. So I think this could be even turned like to a master bedroom right here if someone wants. So I think this house really, to me personally, checks all the boxes in terms of the size, the style, the location, even the price. So this house, all of what you guys have just seen, it's only for $1 million. And this house was built in 2012, so it's relatively new. It's not that an old of a house, and everything here really been taken care of, and I love everything about this house. So if you guys want to check this house in person, reach us out. Our number is going to be on the screen so you can do your private showings. I want to give a huge thanks to the listing agent Corey from Gem Realty from the Keys Group. And if you want to watch more tours for houses like this, make sure you click the link right here, and we'll see you in the next one. I think the game just started.
So if you're gonna start the game, and we have to take like an hour to finish it, so.
Yeah, I promise you the last one.
Good luck next time.
The last one.
See you on the next one.
The last one.
See you on the next one, guys.
Come on.